Do you like your mango? Do you like your mango? Do you like it? Are you going to pick it back up? Do you like it? You do? You like the mango? Did you eat all of it? You did? You ate all of it? Does it get you excited eating that mango? Does it get you excited, buddy? Yeah? Really like it a lot, huh? Do you? I think you have it everywhere. You know? I think you have your mango everywhere. I think you do. And I think you've shredded that piece. Do you need some water? Are you going to pick the pieces of the mango? Are you getting ready for your bath, Ethan? Are you getting ready for your bath? I think you're done. Are you all done? I don't think there's any more left in that, buddy. What do you think? Is there any more left? I don't think so. What is it? I don't think you're going to be eating this. Ethan? Your bib's not orange, is it, sweetie? Huh? Your bib's not orange, is it? Huh? It didn't start out that way, did it? Your bib didn't start out orange, did it? It sure is orange now. Do you need some water? Do you need some water? Can you get it? Can you get it? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you got about nothing in your body from that, huh? Yep. That's the best way to get water, is to do it upside down, bud. Why don't you try to turn it the other way? Do you need some water? Let go, sweet pie. There you go. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. Good boy. Bye-bye. 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 Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.